Hey everyone, welcome back to Life English Pro. I'm Sarah, and sitting right next to me with that big smile is my co-host, Leo. Today's topic is something that could literally change your life. Stop thinking, start talking.
Oh, yeah. Stop overthinking every single word and just open your mouth. It's that simple and that powerful.
Exactly. Think about it. How many times have you wanted to chat with someone in English, but your brain went, wait, is my grammar perfect? What if I sound stupid? What if they laugh? We've all been there. But here's the thing. In daily life, speaking English isn't about being perfect. It's about connecting. Whether you're ordering coffee, making a new friend, asking for directions, or even landing a job, the magic happens when you stop thinking and start talking. You build confidence, you make memories, and honestly, you start enjoying English instead of fearing it.
Totally. Imagine you're at a party and you see someone cool. If you stop and think too much, the moment passes. But if you just say, "Hi, I'm Leo. Nice to meet you." Boom, conversation started. That tiny step opens doors to friendships, opportunities, and even better English skills because practice is the real teacher.
And the best part? Mistakes are totally okay. They're how we learn. Native speakers mess up too. And they don't care if your sentence isn't textbook perfect. They care that you're trying and being real. So today, we're going to chat, laugh, share stories, and practice real-life situations so you can walk away ready to start talking right now.
Before we jump in and get all chatty, if you're loving this vibe and want more fun English conversations every week, do us a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button, like the video, and turn on the bell. It takes 2 seconds, and it keeps Life English Pro growing so we can keep making these for you. Thanks so much.
Yes, thank you. Okay, Leo, let's kick this off with why we overthink in the first place. What's your biggest I froze moment?
Easy. Last month, I was in a cafe and wanted to order a simple latte. My brain went into panic mode. Is it I would like or can I have? What if I say it wrong? I stood there for like 10 seconds saying nothing. The barista was just staring at me like, dude, you okay? I finally blurted out, "One coffee, please, big one." And it worked. She laughed, gave me my drink, and we even chatted for a minute. The lesson? Just start talking, even if it's messy.
That's hilarious. I had the opposite. When I first traveled abroad, I was so scared of speaking English that I used hand gestures for everything. One time, I wanted directions to the train station and ended up miming a train like a crazy person. The guy looked confused, then said slowly, "You mean the station?" and pointed. I felt so silly, but I learned that saying even one wrong sentence is better than saying nothing. Now I just jump in with, "Excuse me, could you help me find the train station?" And it flows.
See? That's the key. Real life doesn't wait for perfect English. Let's give our viewers some super useful phrases to stop the overthinking right away. First one, how's it going? It's casual, friendly, and works with anyone.
Totally natural. You can say it to a colleague, a neighbor, even a stranger in the elevator. Example, "Hey, how's it going?" And they'll reply, "Not bad, you?" Boom, conversation started without thinking.
Another good one, what's up? It's short and chill. I use it all the time with friends. Hey man, what's up? And suddenly we're talking about football or weekend plans.
Or how about long time no see? Perfect for bumping into someone you know. It shows you're happy to see them. Leo, pretend we haven't seen each other in weeks.
Okay.
Hey, Leo, long time no see. Exactly.
Yeah, long time no see. Have you been? And just like that, we're talking. Viewers, repeat after us. Long time no see. Say it out loud right now. It feels good.
Another everyday phrase is, you know what I mean? It's great when you're explaining something and want to check if the other person is following. It keeps the chat flowing without pressure.
And if you mess up, try, sorry, let me rephrase that. It's polite and natural. No one gets annoyed. They actually appreciate it. Like, sorry, let me rephrase that. I meant the blue shirt, not the red one.
Let's do a quick role play so everyone can practice. Imagine we're new neighbors meeting for the first time. I'll be the friendly neighbor. You be the shy one who's learning English. Ready?
Let's go.
Hi there. I'm Sarah from next door. How's it going?
Hi. I'm Leo. Good, thanks.
Nice to meet you. I saw you moving in yesterday. Long time no see. Wait, that doesn't make sense since we just met. What's up with the big box?
Yeah, I brought too many books. You know what I mean.
Totally. Books are the best. Sorry if I'm talking too fast. Let me slow down. Do you like reading?
Yes, I love it. Sorry, let me rephrase that. I really enjoy mystery novels.
Awesome. We should swap books sometime.
That sounds great. Thanks for saying hi.
See how easy and fun that was? We used 5 phrases in one short chat, and it felt real. No perfection needed. Viewers, pause the video and try that role play with your mirror or a friend. Say it out loud.
Exactly. Now let's tackle a situation everyone worries about. Ordering food. It's daily life, right? You go to a restaurant or cafe and suddenly your brain freezes. Stop thinking, start talking.
Let's role play it. I'm the customer, you're the waiter. Make it funny like real life.
Okay, action.
Hi, how's it going today?
Hi, welcome. I'm good, thanks. What can I get for you?
I'd like the chicken sandwich, please. Wait, sorry, let me rephrase that. Is it spicy?
A little bit. You know what I mean?
Then maybe the pasta instead. Long time no see on the menu. I haven't been here in ages.
Glad you're back. Anything to drink?
Just water, thanks. You know what? Make it a big one.
Coming right up.
Boom. We laughed, we fixed a mistake on the spot, and the order was perfect. In real life, waiters hear every accent and every mistake. They don't mind. They just want to help.
Another funny story from me. I once ordered fried rice, but said fired rice by accident. The waiter laughed and said, I hope it's not on fire. We both cracked up and I got free dessert. See? Humor wins when you just talk.
Love that. Now let's move to something bigger, small talk at a job interview or meeting new colleagues. This is where confidence really matters.
Yeah, people overthink, should I sound professional or friendly? Just start with something simple.
Let's role play. I'm the interviewer, you're the candidate.
Ready.
Hi, Leo. Come on in. How's it going?
Great, thanks. Long time no see. I mean, nice to finally meet you in person.
Same here. Tell me, what's up with your last job?
I really enjoyed working on team projects. You know what I mean? It taught me a lot. Sorry, let me rephrase that. It helped me improve my communication skills.
Nice. And if there was one thing you'd change?
Maybe I'd speak up more in meetings, but I'm working on that. Stop thinking, start talking, right?
I love that attitude. You're hired in my book.
See, even in a serious situation, a little humor and real phrases make you memorable. Viewers, try this. Next time you meet someone new, use "how's it going?" and watch the conversation flow.
Let's keep the energy going with travel situations. Imagine you're lost in a new city and need directions. Overthinking gets you nowhere, literally.
Role play time. I'm the tourist, you're the local.
Hi, excuse me, how's it going?
Good, thanks. What's up?
I'm a bit lost. Sorry, let me rephrase that. Can you tell me how to get to the museum?
Sure. Go straight and turn left at the big clock. You know what I mean?
Perfect, thanks. Long time no see to this city. First time visiting.
Enjoy it. Safe travels.
Easy, right? And if they speak fast, just say, "Sorry, could you say that again?" It's a natural phrase everyone uses.
Speaking of phones, phone calls in English scare people the most because you can't see faces. Let's practice one.
You call me pretending to book a table at a restaurant.
Ring ring.
Hello, this is Sarah at the Cozy Cafe. How can I help?
Hi, Sarah. How's it going? I'd like to book a table for 2 tonight.
Great. What time?
Around 7. Sorry, let me rephrase that. Is 7:30 okay?
Yes. Name?
Leo. You know what I mean? It's for me and my friend.
All set, Leo. See you then.
Thanks so much. Bye.
Perfect phone English. No visuals, just clear words and polite fixes.
Now, let's talk vocabulary that makes you sound natural. Words like chill, catch up, grab a bite.
Grab a bite means eat something quick. Example, hey, wanna grab a bite after work? Super common.
Catch up is great too. Let's catch up soon. It means talk and update each other.
And break the ice. That's exactly what we're doing today, starting a conversation to make things less awkward.
I once tried to break the ice at a party by saying, "Nice weather, right?" But it was raining. The girl laughed and said, "Yeah, perfect for ducks." We ended up chatting for hours. Moral, even a bad line works if you just start talking.
Let's do another role play, making friends at a party.
I'm the new guy, you're the host.
Hey, how's it going? Glad you could make it.
Thanks. Long time no see to parties like this. What's up?
Just enjoying the music. You know what I mean. Wanna grab a bite from the snack table?
Sure. Sorry, let me rephrase that. I'm starving.
Same. Let's catch up while we eat. Where are you from?
Pakistan, actually. First time in this kind of crowd.
Cool. Break the ice with me. Tell me your favorite food from home.
Biryani. You have to try it sometime.
Deal.
See how we went from 0 to friends in 30 seconds? That's the power.
Now, what if you make a big mistake? Don't freeze. Use these rescue phrases. My bad. Oops, wrong word. Or let me try that again.
Story time. I once said I'm going to the bathroom, but it came out I'm going to the bath. The whole group laughed, but I said, my bad, English is tricky sometimes, and we all had a good laugh. Connection made.
Emotional side. Talking builds real bonds. When you share even simple stories, people feel closer. Remember that time you helped someone or someone helped you? That started with words.
Exactly. Viewers, think of one person you want to talk to in English this week. Just say, hi, how's it going? And see what happens. You'll feel proud.
Let's cover online chatting turning into real talk, like on a language app or social media.
Roleplay. We just matched on a language exchange app.
Hi, Leo. How's it going? I saw you like English practice.
Hey, Sarah. Good, thanks. What's up with your profile? You travel a lot?
Yeah, long time no see to real conversations. Want to practice speaking?
Totally. You know what I mean? Video call sometime?
Sounds fun. Sorry if my accent is strong. Let me rephrase that. I'm still learning too.
No worries. We'll help each other.
See? Even online, start talking leads to real friendships.
Quick vocabulary boost. Shoot the breeze means chat casually. Spill the beans means tell a secret. Piece of cake means easy.
Example: starting a chat is a piece of cake once you stop thinking.
And tongue-tied. That feeling when words won't come. I was tongue-tied at first, but then I just started talking.
Let's do one more big role play. A job interview small talk plus the main questions, so viewers get the full experience.
I'm the candidate again.
Welcome, Leo. How's it going today?
Nervous, but excited. Long time no see to interviews.
Relax. Tell me about yourself.
I'm a quick learner and I love teamwork. You know what I mean. Sorry, let me rephrase that. I thrive in team environments.
Great. Any questions for us?
Yes. What's up with the team culture here?
We're very supportive.
Awesome. I can't wait to contribute.
You nailed it. Confidence comes from practice, not perfection.
We've covered greetings, food, travel, jobs, phones, parties, everything daily life throws at you. The pattern is always the same. Stop thinking, start talking, fix if needed, and keep going.
And remember, humor helps. If you mix up words, laugh at yourself. People love that.
Viewers, here's your challenge. Today, find one moment, any moment, and speak English out loud. Tell the shopkeeper, how's it going? Or message a friend, long time no see, let's catch up. Record yourself if you want, and notice how much better you feel.
We've laughed, practiced, and shared real stories today. English isn't a test, it's a tool for life, friendship, and fun.
Exactly. So stop thinking and start talking.
Thanks for joining us on Life English Pro. If this helped, drop a comment with your biggest stop thinking moment. We read every single one. Subscribe, share with a friend who's learning English, and we'll see you in the next episode where we tackle even more real-life chats. You've got this.
Bye, everyone. Keep talking.
Bye, and remember, you're already amazing for trying. Talk soon.